you getting me with my hair clip?
That's getting B-roll.
Okay, I need to take my hair clip out.
We're in Brownsville today at Sunny Point Gardens.
And we're gonna have a sit down with Alan and Sandra Davis.
And hopefully be able to grab some greens to show you a great recipe.
Kind of give us an overview about what people can find with Sunny Point Gardens.
Well, we basically specialize in lettuces and salad greens. We also do cut flowers. Sandra does a lot of custom bouquets with our cut flowers. We felt like we needed to come up with a way to grow lettuces and salad greens year-round. So we decided to do what we call controlled environment agriculture in greenhouses where we heat and cool them.
Yes.
And grow year-round. We try to keep everything out of our greenhouses, all of the insects and diseases, so we never have to spray anything in on our crop. It's produced in a clean environment. Everything that we bring to market, everything we sell is washed and dried and bagged up. It's 100% usable and ready to serve.
Yes, yes. I noticed when we went through, like you said, we walked through across the bleach mat there. And so that was, like you said, to keep down with the diseases.
Right,
and
right.
Do you all start them from seed as well, the specialty greens?
We start everything ourselves with, we use rock wool cubes made from volcanic rock. And then we start all of our seeds and take them from seedlings to the finished product. Our best-selling product is our salad mix. We call it our gourmet lettuce mix, which has, most of the time, it'll have as many as 8 different types of lettuces.
Yes.
They're all different colors and textures. They have a lot of nice loft to them. They make a wonderful salad. And that's been our best-selling product. But we also do romaine, we do bib, we also do kale, Swiss chard, and what else? Carrots. Well, our carrots are not hydroponic, but we grow carrots out in the soil, of course. We even have done some of Sandra's cut flowers hydroponically.
As well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they do well.
Yes. Now talk to us about how you harvest some of those specialty greens. It's a unique process.
Well, the lettuces are all, we try to keep them at waist level.
Yes.
So it makes it easier to harvest. We just slide those channels across and we just harvest the leaves. And most of the time these lettuces will regrow. So we just harvest the bottom leaves and let them regrow for a second or third crop. And then they're taken from the greenhouses immediately into cold water. We don't let them sit around. They go immediately to cold water, take any kind of heat off the leaves that they might have. And they go through our bubbler, which is just tumbles it with water to wash off anything that might be on it, into the rinse, and then on into our spinner. And then we dump it out onto our cotton towels and air dry it with some fans and bag it up and take it to market.
Yes.
But it stays hydrated and chilled. And most of our customers tell us our product will last up to 2 weeks in the fridge after they get it home.
Yeah, a lot longer than the store bought. Yeah.
We are vendors at SOKY Marketplace Farmers Market. We're there every Saturday from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. We have a CSA program. We've had that now for at least 7 years. Our members log into our online shopping cart each Wednesday evening and they see what we have available. If they want to place an order, they place an order. If they're going to be out of town 1 week, they just, they have farm credit sitting there ready to be used anytime they want to order. Kim Simpson was a customer of ours at the farmers market, and Kim is the food coordinator for the city schools, Bowling Green. So one day we just were talking and she was needing lettuce for her school, so we got together and now for I guess close to 4 years we've been providing lettuce for 7 schools in the Bowling Green City School System.
Y'all have something unique. Y'all have a volunteer program?
We have what we call a volunteer work share CSA program because there's always work to be done. But they come and work 4 hours, only 4 hours a week, and then we load them up with a share of that week's harvest.
What makes you just want to get up each and every morning and go out there?
I tell people I put my boots on really quick of a morning, but they take a lot longer to take them off when I go in the evening. I'm really tired, but I'm ready to go again the next morning.
Yeah.
We enjoy it. We really enjoy our customers.
Yes.
we have made some of the best friends, made lifelong friends through farming. It makes it very rewarding when you have customers that like your product and tell you they enjoy it.
Yeah.
Makes the hard work worth it.
Now, your mother said, eat your greens, and she was absolutely right. And we are so fortunate here in South Central Kentucky to have an abundance of specialty greens. And so if you take a look here, we have a gourmet mix from Sunny Point Gardens, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So today I'm going to share with you a beef confetti taco salad. Now, confetti always means fun, and Sunny Point Gardens has some more specialty greens. They're called microgreens, and I have an example right here. And you might say, well, that just looks like a little seedling. Well, it absolutely is. When it forms its true leaves right here, that's the perfect time to harvest. And it's so tender, so flavorful. It has like a nutty, sweet flavor, but the best part is how nutritious it is. It has a lot of protein, a lot of fiber, and it just adds a little bit to this party on this salad. Now, the recipe doesn't call for this, but since he had it, we had to pick it up and try it. So here we have about 8 cups of this gourmet salad mix. And when you're purchasing, you want to look for the vibrant colors, no browning, no slimy in the bag, and then we want to wash it when we get it home, and then store it in the refrigerator in a plastic sack. And this will help it stay fresh for at least a week. And a lot of times if you buy lettuce not from a local farmer, it doesn't last that long. So to get this recipe started, I have 1 pound of ground beef. So I already have this browned. I already have it drained. So we're gonna add to this 1 pound of ground beef 2/3 cup of salsa. And we're just gonna mix that in, let it heat through for about 2 minutes, just to kind of get those flavors to marry together and to kind of give it that traditional taco taste for this taco salad. And then once we do that, all the heavy lifting is finished. We basically just assemble this salad after we've cut some of our vegetables up, put it together, and you can customize it to whatever your family enjoys. So we're gonna get our salad started. We're gonna get our plate here and put our lettuce on the plate and kind of spread that out, or you can divide this. If you have a family of 4, this serves 4. So if you have a family of 4, you can get your 4 plates out and just separate your greens amongst your plates. We're gonna kind of just do this family and buffet style. We're gonna sprinkle on our microgreens right on here. Look at that. So after we have that, we have 1 bell pepper, and I chose a yellow bell pepper just because I thought it might add a little bit of color to our taco salad. And if you don't like bell pepper, you can certainly leave this off, but I think it adds a nice little flavor to this taco salad. And so you can use however much you want of that. And then 1 tomato, and these little tomatoes were available and I just thought they would be fun. I sliced those in half. And so you can use either a whole slicing tomato, cherry tomatoes, or you can pick these up, and they're different heirlooms: Choco cherry, some lemon boy, sun gold, different varieties of your little tomatoes here. And so we're gonna slap those on there, and then some onion. You can use purple onion or you can use white onion, whichever one that you like and have access to. Some people find that the purple onion is a little bit stronger in flavor, and if that's the case, you can just use a sweet onion like we're using here today. And so put that on there, and then guess what? We're gonna put some beef on here. This is probably cooked through now. And so with this, we're just gonna put our beef onto our salad plate. And we're just gonna roll that on there. I'm gonna turn this off real quick because it's looking for that pan. All right, no taco salad is complete without beef, right? And that looks so good. Can't have tacos without cheese, right? And Hilltop Creamery right down the road has some cheese, some Kentucky Proud cheese, and this is a smoky cheddar. And I thought that would just add a whole nother layer of flavor onto our taco salad. Now, this is a salad, but we can always garnish with maybe some sliced olives, some avocado slices, maybe some ranch dressing, whatever your family likes. Don't wait for Tuesday to have taco salad night. You can have it with all kinds of local produce, specialty greens, and this is good for your family. So it's something that you can make to support local farmers and feel good about it too. So if you want the recipe, just see the show notes. You can go and find where Sunny Point Gardens is, and if you want to know who raises specialty greens in your area, make sure to contact your local extension office and they'd be happy to help.
You were cracking me up. I don't want to crack you up anymore because you're doing a great job.